Once I finish the next song, then I'll officially have done 6 hours.
Okay.
Right, so let's...
Got one more song. Right.
One more song!
Let's go to the beginning.
Incredible! 6 hours. How are you feeling, champ?
It's better than I expected.
Really? Do you think you're going to be able to walk from those drums? Or are you like James Brown and you'll need a couple of helpers and a cape to put around you? Do we need a foil blanket? Do we need foil blankets?
When the adrenaline wears off, I'm stuffed, essentially.
Really? So we need to get you lying down, do we?
Sorry, we forgot to put it online. Can you do it again?
Do you feel able to come through to the Access All Area Studios and have an interview?
Absolutely.
Come on then, Jack.
Let's go do that, and I'll clear up this weird looking setup.
Oh, how was it? Incredible. How do you feel?
I feel superb. Now I finally managed to be able to do it. So yeah, very happy.